So, hello friends, good morning. Today I am discussing about type safety of generics. Why use type safety of generics and how to use type safety of generics. This is the advantage of generics, and generic advantages like type safety and code reusability and individual typecast not needed, and like promote promote the code also reusables. Okay, so these are the advantage of generics. Okay, so right now so here I'm going to explain about how to type safety happen in the generics. Okay, so here I have created one generic main methods. Okay, then generic main methods. Here this is the public static void mains string of argument. This is the main methods of the Java. So here I'm going to return some codes here. See, uh, open bracket, close bracket, list. Sorry. Mm, list, list object is equal to new list. Okay. So then object dot r select say uh, uh, brackets. Okay. So I'll define some like array list here. Okay, so see here, this is actually if I'm not using the generics, then what happen here? So here without generics, without generics. Okay, simple display testing strings. Okay, so this is object dot get index of 0. Okay, strings. Okay, so this is actually without generics, without generics. Java programs. Okay. So this is called like without generic. See, without generic we needed here typecastings. Okay, so see, I set these things and I want to run again. So see here what happens. Cannot cast. See, this is Java long dot class cast exception. Class cast exception means like if your like argument try to like convert like different like one data type to another data type, or like which is not able to convert types, that time java.long dot class cast exception came here. Okay, so how this is the errors, this is the errors. Okay, so how we will solve these problems? Java.longs.integers and Java.long.string are in module Java.base of loaders. Okay, so both are different. Okay, both are different. Okay, so see what is the errors? Java.long.integer cannot be cast to the class Java.long.string. So these things cannot convert into the strings. Okay, so see so this is actually without generics I have used. Sorry, this is actually without generics I have used. So see, suppose to solve these errors, how to solve these errors and exceptions in thread means like java.long.class cast exception. To solve these errors, how we will change the code means, see, this is without generics. If I use it, if I'm if I will use I'm going to use like generics, with generics. Okay, with generics, with generics. Okay, with generics, with generics using sorry with generics using using Java. Okay, sorry, using Java. Okay, suppose see here we needed to change some things here like array list. I have used array list here. Okay, what type of the array list? This one. I am going to import the array list. This is not parameterized arguments. Okay, so here I pass it some like string. Okay, string. Okay, so this is actually totally this is actually totally I have created string type. What is string type? String type generics. This is called generics. Okay, this is called generics. So in this generics, see here because the types already known, like I have passed the string type here. Okay, so don't need it like integer type here. See, object dot add string names like desire. Okay, and object dot add like this, like Sujak. Okay, object dot add Rahul. Okay, Rajab. Okay, so this is the syntax. Then here actually see, don't need these things. These things don't need typecasting, typecasting, uh, typecasting, CST and typecasting is not needed. Typecasting is not needed. Okay, so see here, I just remove the typecasting here. String type, I just remove. See, directly he can access directly you can access the object using the object dot get. Okay, so typecasting not needed in the generics. So this is the what this is the advantage. This is the advantage of this is the advantage. Okay, this is the advantage. This is the advantage. Okay, so typecast is not needed in generics. Okay, so see, I have just printed these things like here I have uh, 6 string type is there, so I just store here. So my string values string s5 is equal to object dot get get index 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, then close and string uh, s5 s6 is equal to object dot get index 5. Okay, so this one system dot out dot println save. Okay, see, I'm going to run Java applications. See, this is the output. Okay, this is the output. RAW, BBSR, SSC, BJ, and Sujak and Rojak. Okay, this is all are the string type. Okay, so this type work generics. Here I have used the Java. Okay, so this type actually we don't need it like typecasting. This is the big advantage of generics. Okay, so type shape is there. So this is called type shape. This is called what? This is called type shape. Okay, type shape. This is called type shape. Okay, I have created array list of string. Object is equal to new array list of strings. Array list means this is one type of the collections which is hold the datas. Okay, which is used for the hold the datas. Like this is like collect the group of datas. Is called collections. Okay, so I think are you understand these things? If you have any doubts, then just comment me in below sections. Okay, so thank you.